Before you choose your backend, watch this. I wish I knew this earlier. Today we are comparing Supabase and AWS. Both can be used to build and run apps, but they are very different in how they work. Let's start with Supabase. Supabase is a backend as a service. It gives you a database, authentication, storage, and APIs all ready to use. It's simple and fast to get started. Now, AWS. AWS is a full cloud platform. It gives you everything: servers, databases, storage, networking, and more. But you have to set everything up yourself. Here's the main difference: Supabase is simple and ready to use. AWS is powerful but complex. Looking at features, Supabase gives you everything in one place with minimal setup. AWS gives you full control with services like EC2, S3, RDS, and Lambda. In terms of ease of use, Supabase is much easier for beginners. AWS has a steep learning curve. Now, scalability. AWS is built for massive scale and enterprise systems. Supabase can scale, but not at the same level as AWS. Now, pricing: Supabase is more predictable and easier to manage. AWS pricing can get complicated and expensive if you are not careful. So, Supabase is better for startups and fast development. AWS is better for large scale and complex systems. So, which one should you choose? Choose Supabase if you want speed and simplicity. Choose AWS if you need full control and massive scalability. Both are powerful. It depends on your project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.